e ne ya re morago ga go tsewa ga setshwantsho se motswasetlhabelo e be a fedisa botshelo ba gagwe.
I'm not happy, especially with the way teachers handle this matter. I cannot really blame the teachers about how they handle the matter, but as soon as they notice that we're not okay since the morning, they shouldn't have begun with the lesson and continue as if everything was normal. Yes, we're not saying that we don't want to be taught. We want to be taught, but one of us has died. How are we supposed to act as if everything is normal, whereas it's not normal? How are we supposed to go on as if everything is okay, whereas nothing is okay?
It's hurting me because the thing is they're not taking action against what has happened to her, because instead of taking action against what has happened to her, instead of taking action against what they've done to her, instead they're letting the girl go, instead of expelling her and doing something about this case.
Morago ga dingwaga sekolo se sa Mbilwi se nnile mo dintlhakgolong ka go tlhagisa dipholo tse di kwa godimo tsa matric ngwagola. Le fa go le jalo batsadi bone ba re maitseo a sa siamang a baithuti a tsweletse go etegela.
Of course, we have to worry as leaders because we know the history of the school. And one of the reasons why the school is declining is because of discipline. That behavior of yesterday in the video, in the social media, it shows us or no, the reason why the school is declining performance is because of the behavior of the learners. So I think we have to work together with the SGB, the community leader, chief, Sanko, will come together and then try to do our level best to fight the things that is happening in this school.
Go butswe dokete ya dipatlisiso.